It was a typical Monday morning for Devi as she rushed to get her kids ready for school. In her hurried state, she accidentally knocked over a vase, shattering it on the floor. Frustrated, she quickly cleaned up the mess, scolding her children for being in the way. As Devi drove to work, she couldn't shake the guilt she felt about how she had handled the situation. She realized that her impatience and short temper had caused her to overreact and take out her frustration on her kids, who were just trying to help. That evening, Devi sat down with the family and apologized for her behavior. She explained that she had learned an important lesson about the importance of staying calm and treating others with kindness, even in stressful moments. From that day on, Devi made a conscious effort to be more patient and understanding, not just with her family, but with everyone she encountered. She found that this simple change in attitude made a significant difference in her relationships and overall well being. That is why love is the root of everything we do. In the Bible, we see this popular verse: Love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice at wrongdoing, but rejoices with the truth. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Remember, do everything in love.